Hola! Good morning! Welcome back to our channel, Fluidity of Life.
Today, mag-bake na naman tayo. We're gonna be baking biscotti. Thanks, Recette dal Mondo. This is from your blog.
It's like, I think that's an Italian cookie. Me and Glenn like those cookies for breakfast or snack, dunking in our coffee.
And it's a pumpkin biscotti. Perfect kasi fall and I love pumpkin.
First, we're gonna mix the egg and the pumpkin. So this one is 1 cup of pumpkin puree from the can. If you want, you can cook your own fresh pumpkin and mash it, and mix the pumpkin and 2 eggs. Mix it good. And then add the vanilla. A teaspoon. Eyeball. Oh. Can't go wrong with vanilla. Add the sunflower oil. It's 3 tablespoons and a half. Then add the brown sugar. It's 1/2 cup. Then add the baking powder. It's 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And add the flour. It is 2 cups and 3/4. 2 and 3/4 cups. Add them in 2 batches.
Then the rest of the flour.
I know some recipe of biscotti. I saw they bake it twice, but this one they only bake it once. So maybe there are different kinds of biscotti. And then add the chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 cup. And I'm also adding more. In his, he's not using nuts, but I want to add walnuts to add texture. I have here a cookie sheet with parchment paper, so it won't stick and easy cleanup. Guys, I've just used 2 spoons to form a ball. Hope this will work. Too sticky for my hand. I think you can form your whatever you want. See that one? I'll just keep forming here and then I'll show you once it's ready to go into the oven.
Here are cookies ready to go into the oven, 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. And I still have some there, so I'm gonna
Bake them in 2 batches.
Biscotti time, huh?
What is biscotti? Is biscotti in Italia is cookie?
Anybody know exactly what biscotti means in Italian?
Here they are, guys. Pumpkin biscotti cookies, I guess they're called. See the inside? Give it a sample.
The camera should be on the baker. All done. Thanks, Recette dal Mondo. This is from your vlog.
I like it.
Tastes good.
Not sweet.
No.
If you want it sweeter, you can add more sugar.
They're a little bit more chewier than a traditional biscotti.
Because I know biscotti
Very dry.
they bake it twice. Like bake the whole log and then cut them, slice, and then bake it again. I think. Never bake. Right? It's a little chewy,
More like a cookie than biscotti, but you're using pumpkin, of course, because pumpkin puree, so it's going to be more dense than regular. I mean, I guess if you just use the flour and not the pumpkin, then it'll be more like biscotti, right?
yeah. It's really filling and definitely the walnut adds more crunch.
And that's good with pumpkin.
And the chocolate chip
Just give it a little bit of sweetness.
and chocolate flavor.
Yeah. What do they say in Italian?
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
Masca.
Huh? Bellissimo. Bellissimo. I say
No.
bellissimo. I think bellissimo.
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 Yeah, bellissimo.
Thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna have our afternoon snack.
Thanks for watching. Fluidity of life. Don't forget to
Subscribe, like, comment,
and
and hit the notification bell.
Yep. Thanks.
Babuska. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.